Welcome back to the channel. Hey, watch your mouth. I said watch it. Love you too. I'm just watching you stumble around on the porch. All right. What the actual heck are we doing right here? You know, I got a million things to be working on. This isn't one of them. But you know what people love? They love a good comeback. So we're messing around with some ideas, getting some visuals. So we might work on this a little bit just for fun. Yes, brain's right there. We got a lot we got to do to it. Silver car sitting in the garage. Lincoln and the drag van are at the plant along with Rob Zombie. This is probably the last thing we should be working on, besides possibly the dirty pickle. Anthony, you need to come get it. Just get it. I'm not even gonna, just come and get it. I'm not even gonna take the motor out of it. Just the engine, just come and get it. I need it out of the yard. I got too much, I need to bring some of the other cars home so I can work on them, because I don't really like working on at the plant that much. It's just, I like being home. So, yeah, you get that. All right, what are we doing with this? We don't 100% know yet. We're looking around, we got ideas. So we'll see how that works out. I just wanted to go ahead and make the intro while I had this put together, just while I'm eyeballing it. So I think it looks kind of cool. But again, motivation comes from weird spots, inspiration, motivation. So anyway, we'll see you guys in the next. I know this one's a whole like what in the hell's going on, but we'll see you guys in the next clip.
Ew.
How did your thing go?
Good.
Yeah, this is like a first shorts day of the year for you. Yay! Oh, I thought it said Pounders Week.
No, it's Founders Week.
Sorry, my bad. I got excited.
It was good.
All right, cool.
We ran a food bank.
Cool. You did a good thing. You're a good Samaritan.
Yes.
A citizen. Phew. Motivation. It's non-existent. We got stuff in the mail. It is a box in a box. This is a main body Proform to replace the torched one from Scobie, who was nice enough to give us that carburetor. Now we have a main body to replace it. This was on sale. I think we paid $130 something for it, which, you know, they went up in price in the last couple of years. So, but this one was on sale with a coupon. So we went ahead and got one. So now we will have a carburetor that will be ready to go, which will be pretty awesome. Our next item is in this giant box. It is a fuel cell with, I have no idea what this contraption is. Guess it works. Okay. All right. Does not have foam in it. This was on sale as well. Let me get it out. Okay. This is an 8-gallon fuel cell. Not sure how I feel about the lid, but you know, it is what it is. It's you know, just a standard Chinese thingamajig that we've been getting This one's obviously a little different. It was also on sale. I think we paid $67 for this, shipped to the house. So, comes with some fittings. Comes with some caps already on. So, cool. Use one for our feed, and then we'll have one for the vent. Maybe we'll run a return, I don't know. So, anyway, it's 8 gallons, so we got some decent range. I'm not sure how I feel about this thing. I guess it don't matter how I feel about it, that's what we got. So, anyway, couple of parts for our projects, and didn't spend a ton of money, which is always the best part. We got the old Scooby-Doo barbecue special coming apart. So this is brass floats on both ends. We'll probably look at, I can reach it with a screwdriver through here. We'll probably look at doing crap jet extension in the back. So, I see we got part of a carb gasket on it still. Yeah, so we'll do, like I say, probably do jet extensions in the back, and then be ready to roll. Got it pulled apart. Let's get some of this old gasket that was on here. Get that off. Nice carburetor. I gotta admit, this thing had a weird jetting deal in it. It had 70s in the primaries and 74s in the secondaries. I don't know where that was coming from. So anyway, that's not what we're gonna run. We're definitely gonna change that up a little bit. So I'm just like, wow, it's kind of crazy. But anyway, it is what it is. So put some jets and start bolting it together. It's all bolted together. This is just take it apart, bolt it back together kind of a thing. So again, big thanks to Scobie for this, and to you guys for helping, you know, watching videos. We can buy parts. So we got the carburetor ready to go. Now we just, you know, we got some other stuff to pull together, and we can just, I guess, sling together another piece of garbage. We don't actually work on anything, we just buy stuff. So this, I'm interested to see this, I guess. It is another one of these China Juniors. I know, right? I get Buy American. I looked for like a used intake, but people want crazy money for used intakes. This is some of that good China aluminum. It's kind of heavy. This right here was, I think, $110. Yeah, 110 bucks. Again, damn, actually I think this one's better than the other one I got. I mean, you know, it's got some casting ridges and stuff in it. I mean, yeah, these are, David would love this. He'd be like, oh my God, what in the actual hell is all this stuff? But it's like 110 bucks shipped. That's with tax. I'll put the, if, you know, I'll get the whatever when I bought it, put it up, but yeah, this ain't no Victor Jr. It's not as good as a Victor Jr. It's actually, which I don't hate that, because we don't really have enough of whatever. I mean, we don't even, to be honest, we don't even really know what we're building. We're messing around. We got like inspiration and stuff like that. And I know I got 10 other projects I should be working. I should be working on the Brain. I should be working on the Lincoln. I should be working on the van. So that we will be working on some other stuff. Obviously the Love Boat has got me aggravated with that stupid plug. I talked to Yoda about it, and he was, before I started down a rabbit hole of no return, and he was like, this is what I would do, and yada, yada, yada. So I'm just gonna kind of take his advice and walk the path that he has laid out. And obviously we'll get it one way or another, we'll get it figured out, but anyway, whatever. So we'll get that going, we gotta get the van going, and then, you know, and while we're working on stuff here, Brain going blah, 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 blah. We bought a China intake, and we got a carburetor, and we got other stuff. We got other stuff to do. We got mission. We got things to do. We got people to get after with our stuff. So I'm just trying to get in the mix, man. Trying to get in the mix with some of these people. Get some of the racing. So anyway, the combination of the car will be listed in the description of the video. So thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, we wouldn't want to. But especially, thanks for watching. Until next time on Substandard Leader Fox Body videos on this here man's YouTube. 1 year, stick shift, push rod, 5-speed, 5-point Lincoln Town Cars, 4 drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, decorator, rewirer, belt tightener, and core VIP lap dancer of Club Big Boost, and is always fighting a good fight against some zombie Mustangs. That's another one. And that rascal Dr. Fury. We'll see you guys next video. Sorry this one sucked. Well, I'm not really sorry, but whatever.